For the last 38 years, we've been blessed with having the Silver Eagle as one of our topics every year. Actually, multiple topics every year. When it started back in 1986, they made an uncirculated or a bullion coin. They also made a special proof coin. And since then, it's been an evolution of just fun. Well, tonight we have the first time they ever made a set to commemorate the Silver Eagle. And that was done in 2006, as the graphic says, for the 20th anniversary of our Silver Eagle. And what did they do? They introduced 2 new Silver Eagles. So as I referenced a second ago, they made an unk and a proof, and they made them every year, and they've made them every year. But in 2006, they made a satin finish or a sandblasted coin. That's the one on the far left. It has a W mint mark on the back, so many of you that know the W mint mark uncirculated coin, all the same. But it's a sandblasted called burnished by the U.S. Mint. The coin in the middle here is the proof, the special collector coin they make every year. And then the coin on the right is the most limited of all, because the satin was released individually and in this set, but the very first ever, repeat that, ever, a proof Silver Eagle, a reverse proof Silver Eagle. As you see there, open fields, frosted, polished, or proofed. It is the first time ever. It's a Philadelphia proof. So we have a W, and a Philadelphia, and the P mint mark is actually on the coin as the regular WS point. And then here you're going to see it, the W uncirculated, which is not on. Again, remember, our uncirculated coins don't have a mint mark, even though West Point struck them pretty much outright. So this is that collection, everybody. The first ever from the U.S. Mint. The first ever. And there you have it, the reverse proof, the first ever. So again, we had uncirculated coins, we had proof coins, and then we had satin finish coins for the first time in '06, and then the reverse proof. Now we have 4 different types of Silver Eagles. But only one of them, which is that reverse proof, the P mint mark on your far right, is exclusive only to this collection. That's the limited nod. They made only 248,875, which is a tiny number compared to the million regular issue proofs they make that year. The packaging, as you see here, it's called OGP. Still can't figure out why the lettering's gold on a silver set, but the packaging, the outer box and the outer sleeve are silver with gold lettering. There's a certificate which has silver lettering, and then all the mumbo jumbo on the coins inside the cert. That beautiful presentation, which is like a black lacquered box overall. Beautiful, OGP all the way. Original government packaging. But firsts are significant, right? This is the first reverse proof. In 2013, we had the first enhanced, right? In 2020, we had the first privy mark. In 2019, we had the first enhanced reverse proof. All those coins special, all of them unique, all of them huge collector demand, and this is the one right there that started it all. The reverse proof from 2006, Philadelphia Strong. Now that coin right in the middle, the regular issue proof, sells for $165 by itself. So let's just do simple math. Subtract that from $349 and then divide by 2, which means you're looking at give or take $80 to $90 for the 2 rarest coins in the set. You can't find the satin for under $140, $150, and you cannot find the reverse proof individually, which means they were broken out of these sets for under $200. Any way you slice it, this is like wow with the pricing we're seeing here. We did see one of our competitors. They were out about 3 weeks ago at $399 and they sold out. Before that, it was in the low 4s, so that's why their $399 sold out. At $349.95 tonight, which is $50 less than that, we're going to do the same thing. Silver Eagles are the #1 draw. It is the coin of the world today. It is our largest silver coin, 40.6 millimeters, silver dollar. It is our purest 0.9993. Remember, the old coins were 0.900 fine U.S. coin silver. Weight, the Morgans and Peace were 27 grams net weight, melt value. These are 31.101 grams, right? Which is a pure ounce of silver. Also the design, it's the Walking Liberty. It's the most beautiful coin ever. And then tonight we wrapped them together for the first ever tribute set from the U.S. Mint. And we put 2 special coins in it, never done before, and one of them is only inclusive to this set only. Again, that satin, which is a W mint mark uncirculated, was sold individually. Again, $130 to $150 to find that coin individually. The proof sells for $165 to $179. Take both of those together, and you're over $300. And the rarest coin of the year is right there on the right. It's in the collection, and look at our price. Kind of like buying the other 2 coins and getting the rarest one for free. But firsts are significant. Always are, right? Lindbergh flew across the Atlantic. The second one was just as hard, but we remember him. The Super Bowls, right? The #1 watched event every year on television. And guess what? Maybe your team has made it, but everybody, whether you're a fan or not, knows the first winner were the Packers going back to the late 1960s. We remember firsts. The 57 Chevy, right? We remember firsts. Well, in collecting, we remember firsts. What are the values of the first comic book of Batman or Superman, right? How about the rookie card of Mickey Mantle or Honus Wagner or any of the others, right? We all know firsts are significant. And in coin collecting, we're not any different. It's just our coins have an intrinsic value many, many times as well. Like in these, they're all 1 ounce silvers. But tonight, this is it. Guys, a 1-minute clock, please. We're down to single digits. Yes, good question. Thank you. This is what they call OGP, original government packaging. This is the way the U.S. Mint issued it back in 2006, and it's still in that original packaging today. The P Mint mark, that is the reverse proof for the first time ever in U.S. Mint history. Not kind of, first time ever of all coins. Right there, and it was a silver eagle. Again, that burnish, which we just turned over, that was unique to the Silver Eagle series in 06, but it was also sold individually. And we loved it so much, we have 3 coins every year since then. We have an unk and a proof, and now we have a burnished or a satin or a sandblasted, the W mint mark uncirculated, as many call it. When it comes down to it, it's about mintage figures as well. They only made 248,000 and change. Competition, they sold out at $50 more than we are. The same package, same place. Except tonight, it's here at $349.95 for those of you joining us. Don't miss out.